25 centuries, Western knowledge has tried to look upon. It has failed to
Am
understand
500
that the world is
gael
not
mae
for
gwybodaeth y gorllewin wedi edrych ar
It's for hearing.
ond wedi methu
It is
deall
not
bod y byd
legible.
ddim yn rhywbeth i weld. Mae'n rhaid gwrando arno.
Our science has always desired
gwrando
to
arno.
monitor,
Mae
measure,
gwyddoniaeth wedi ceisio
extract,
monitro, mesur, doli, ysgafnu, ystyr.
Forgetting that
Mae'n
life is
anghofio
full
bod
of
bywyd yn
noise,
rhan
death
sŵn
and
a marwolaeth yn unig sy'n ddistaw.
work noise, noise of
Sŵn
man,
gwaith, sŵn dyn, sŵn anifeiliaid, sŵn wedi'i brynu, wedi'i werthu neu wedi'i wahardd.
nothing
Does dim byd
essential.
hanfodol yn digwydd yn isolated sŵn. Heddiw mae'n llygad
Today,
ac
our side
yn
is
methu
doomed.
gweld y
Bright lights, big city.
Sennol wedi'i wneud
Having constructed a prison, abstraction,
Bright
nonsense,
lights, big city.
Mae'n rhaid i ni nawr mesur pwysau.
Bright lights, big city. City and light.
Gwrando ar sŵn sy'n deall yn well.
Bright lights, big city. City and lights. Bright lights, big city. Bright lights, big city. City and light. Bright lights, big city. Bright lights, big city.